Can you still see?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, don't put your finger over the front of it tonight, okay? Last week he took a whole bunch of pictures and every one of them his finger was in front of him.
Oh, doggone it. Anna!
There's Abby. Whoa, Anna!
I yelled at her last week. I don't think you can hear her. Anna!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Seattle. It's a beautiful evening out here with not a cloud in the ceiling. Welcome to the 12-Tone Series. Tonight, the Sound of Brownsburg takes on drum majors Ellie Reinhardt and Christian Butner. It seems that the players are just about all set and ready to begin the first quarter of Beethoven's Symphony No. 5 in C minor. But before we do anything, let's get a word from our sponsor.
Tonight, for your halftime entertainment, the Sound of Brownsburg will perform a portion of their fall competitive show. Show theme is New Horizons Music Appreciation. Musical selection tonight is Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, Mozart's Queen of the Night, and The Marriage of Figaro.
Abby is the
And we
8th
begin
flute
the
from the
competitive season
left.
next Saturday at the Decatur Central Invitational. Performance time is 8:21. Drum majors, seniors Ellie Reinhardt, Christian Butner, and juniors Eric Rolson and Emily Krantz. The field is yours for tonight's exhibition performance.
Anna, get it!
And there's the kickoff with a fantastic four-note theme. The start of a symphony is always very exciting, and this one, no different. Oh my goodness, did you hear that? Someone in the horn section really fumbled that note. You know, I think it was number 88, Joe Souza. If he's not careful, he's gonna get cut from this team.